Number 1.
The Brother LX3817 makes it so easy to bring out your creative abilities, and at an affordable price. Let's get sewing. Choose from 17 different stitches. Four sewing feet to create clothes, costumes, accessories, crafts, home decor, and so much more. Zigzag foot for everyday sewing. Add a buttonhole, buttons, or a zipper to your project. Sew cuffs and sleeves with the free arm, and setting up is a breeze. There's everything you need to get started. Just add fabric and thread and let your imagination run wild. All so fun, all so easy, all so affordable.
Number 2.
This Singer sewing machine features a heavy-duty metal frame. The inner frame of the sewing machine is constructed of heavy-duty metal. It provides rigid support, holding all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. It's built for years of extended use. In addition, the machine's stainless steel bed plate provides for smooth fabric feeding. It also helps prevent scratches on the machine surface while sewing.
Number 3.
This Singer sewing machine has 23 built-in stitches, including essential or basic stitches, decorative stitches, stretch stitches, as well as an automatic one-step buttonhole. Stretch stitches are especially useful for sewing today's knit fabrics. You can also combine stitches to embellish garments, crafts, and home decorating projects.